Okay, to this day, I don't know her name. Hooking up down in the building, stuck up with this Pani Puri girl. This girl also wants to hook up with Agasthya or whatever. I was not aware of this because now I'll tell you the twist. Oh my god. Next 1 million. Okay. Okay, hi.
Overacting करता साला, overacting की औलाद.
What's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Today's video is a story time video that I promised I would tell you guys if you got the last video to 15,000 likes. The last video right now has over 20,000 likes.
बहुत अच्छा लगेगा.
Thank you so much, guys. I love you, Ag family. You guys are the best. You'll always support me. You'll always like my videos, and also y'all just wanted a juicy story time, didn't you guys?
प्यारी समझ गई.
Anyway, that's not a problem. I have a beautiful story time lined up for you guys. So I've technically never hooked up with a girl at a party or like anywhere. I almost hooked up with a girl, and this is the story time about that. So this is my first story time, and before making this video, I was a little confused, like how do YouTubers make story times? And I saw Triggered Insan's video, Nishya's video, where he calls his some ex-girlfriend Kaju Katli. I thought obviously in this video I cannot take their real names for privacy reasons for the characters in the story, so we're just going to name them food names. I'm going to take Nishya's idea and I'm just going to name this girl Pani Puri. Okay, so the three characters in the story. First, Pani Puri, which is the girl. There's me, Agasthya. And then there's the boy, like my boy best friend. We're going to call him Pasta.
मेरा नाम आखिरी पास्ता.
I know I'm not too innovative, just the story is important, okay? Don't distract.
बेवजह इन जानवरों को भी कुछ खिला दिया करो, ये कभी मांगते नहीं है.
The three of us and a lot of other people were at this party. It was just after I had broken up with my ex-girlfriend who I dated almost a year. We dated for. This was just after I broke up, so obviously I was in my feels. I was in my like buleya phase and I'm listening to like sad, depressing Hindi songs and all that. My friend Pasta tells me, bro, his friend at a party. Let's go there. Like I know this girl too. So both of us went to a common friend's party. There was this girl Pani Puri who was sitting in the room. I think she told the host of this party that, hey, that boy Agasthya, he's cute. Like is he single? And I didn't know about this. Okay, so the host did not come to me for some reason. So the host went to my best friend Pasta, and I think she said that Pani Puri really likes Agasthya. So like, do you want to like get them together? Because Agasthya is really sad, and this girl also wants to hook up with Agasthya or whatever. And I was not aware of this because now I'll tell you the twist. There are a lot of twists in this kahani. The first twist is that my friend Pasta had also broken up with his ex-girlfriend just a while ago. So he was also sad, and this ex of his was at the party. So this ex was his. This ex of English, hi, hello. So I think Pasta forgot that the host had come and said that this girl likes Agasthya. I am just there in the kitchen, mind you, unaware that any of this is happening, eating my freaking margarita pizza, putting my oregano on it, not knowing any of this is happening. And first what happens is this girl, Pani Puri comes and sits next to me on the couch, okay, when we're playing. And I, obviously, my friend Pasta, my dear best friend, but Pasta did not tell me because he was into his ex, whatever. Pani Puri comes next to me and sits down, and she's being all, I don't know how to say this in a good context. She's being all quote unquote touchy, like, you know, touching my arm like this and touching, I don't know what, but like leg aise, like, you know, idhar. And I am like, okay.
Alright, that's fine.
Weird, but okay. Okay, you gotta understand, man had just broken up after a 1 year long relation. Like not just broken up, but it had been like one and a half months. Pani Puri comes next to me, and what I was just being all little touchy, and I'm just like, okay. One more thing about me is I'm very awkward in such situations. Y'all know this. I say this in every video. What I did was I just made it very obvious that I shifted. And this girl didn't get the hint apparently. Hello, girl, boy, whatever. If somebody moves away from you, that means they do not want to hook up with you. I'm making it very clear. Get the freaking hint, dude. So I moved away from this girl, and this girl from here also scooches like this next to me, and I'm just like looking at her, laughing because I don't want to make it awkward. And we're playing Uno like kids, and Pani Puri sitting next to me. Okay. Now what happens is my best friend Pasta, right? I told you he and his ex were having a thing. His ex started crying because she was really upset about the relationship and stuff like that. Like I was not attracted to this girl. She was a little cute. Okay, fine.
Sabas.
I was a little attracted to her, but not to the point that I wanted to hook up with her, because I was just getting over this girl and I didn't want to just hook up with her for a rebound. I didn't want to hook up with her, okay? So Pani Puri was here doing whatever, and Pasta goes down, right, to drop his ex-girlfriend. I find out that these two guys, niche, Pasta and his ex-girlfriend, are hooking up.
हमको मारो, हमको जिंदा मत छोड़ो सालो.
Pasta betrayed me hard that night. He didn't betray me, but he left me alone with this pani puri. That is where all the problems started. I find out Pasta and his ex were down where Pasta's ex had to leave. Pasta and his ex were hooking up down in the building, and I am stuck up with this pani puri girl. To this day, I don't know her name. I don't know her name because she never even introduced herself to me. She just came, sat next to me, and started doing whatever she started doing. If you are even going to show interest in a boy or a girl or whoever, please at least introduce yourself. Pani puri got up. She left. Okay, I will come back to the frame, but she left. As soon as she went in the room and the door shut, everybody just turned at me. Even I know what they're like hinting me to do. I did not want to go. I just want to play Uno, man. I want to eat pizza. I want to have a chill night. These guys are pushing me in the room. Ki Agasthya jana, Agasthya. To get these guys to stop, I'll like, chal room mein jaunga. I don't have to do anything. I'll just sit with her. I don't even know her name at this point. I'll ask her her name and कुछ नहीं करूँगा. दूर बैठूँगा, निकल जाऊँगा यार. फिर एक बार Pasta ऊपर आ जाएगा. Pasta and I were supposed to leave together. I was hoping Pasta would come up fast, but this man is down hooking up with this girl. He's not going to come up. I didn't know this at that time. I thought वो छोड़ने गया. I'm like भाई वो उसको घर छोड़ने गया क्या? I'm waiting here for him. So finally I go to this room with Pani Puri. We're sitting. I purposely went and sat on the other side of the bed that she was sitting on because I had texted Pasta before going into the room कि भाई ये लोग मुझे force कर रहे हैं. Please तू जल्दी ऊपर आके मुझे लेके जा इधर से. Pasta did not check his phone. Pasta is busy.
डायल किया गया नंबर मौजूद नहीं है, कृपया थोड़ी देर बाद फोन करें.
मैं रूम में पड़ा था उधर. I forgot even to ask her name, okay? And she just starts talking about her ex-boyfriend. I'm like, okay, cool, anything as long as this is not happening. Just tell me your life story also. I don't give a shit. I'll listen to you, but this is not happening. She just completely opened up to me, bro. Like the first, I don't know her name. She didn't introduce herself to me, and she's telling me a life story. I was just listening to her. I was like, cool, that sucks, but like cool. Because I didn't want to show any. I'm not making this up. I'm not exaggerating. I was literally there, sitting on the bed next to her, saying, cool. Oh, that sucks, man. I'm sorry. Pasta calls me saying, "Bhai, sorry, थोड़ा late हो गया." That is what this man calls me and says, "Bhai, sorry, थोड़ा late हो गया. नीचे आ जा." She left. तो मतलब इसका हो गया. I'm like, भाई तू उधर ही रुक. अभी रुक. मैं अभी आ रहा हूँ. हम अभी घर जा रहे हैं. I'm too uncomfortable in this situation. This is the part. Now you listen what's happened in this story. This is the most unsafe I felt in my life. So Pani Puri says, "Okay, Agasthya, you're leaving early. Chalo, at least let me come drop you down." I was like, "ठीक है, fair enough. Come drop me down." We're walking down the stairs, okay? So we're walking down. I'm just walking down the stairs. This girl turns me and pushes me against the wall like this with her hands here. I'm just like, what have you just done? What are you doing? Bro, leave me. I was just uncomfortable, dude, in the situation. And she didn't even let go. Her hands are like this. And again, you know me, always awkward in such situations. What I did was, I can't believe I actually did this. I faked a phone call by singing a ringtone.
कुछ भी?
Like, you know, iPhone ka tan 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 tan. I just go like oh, Pasta's calling me. I need to go down. Yeah, Pasta. Yeah, bro, I'm just coming. Mind you, her hands are still like this. What I do is, her hands are like this. I went 1, 2, 3. That's how I got out. She still didn't remove her hand. And I bolted down the stairs. I'm like, bro, this girl is a psycho. So I went down and Pasta's like, bro, sorry, bro. I took a little while because, you know, I was hooking up with her. I'm like, साले थप्पड़ मार दूंगा मुंह बंद तक तुझे पता नहीं अभी क्या हुआ है ऊपर. ये साला हुकअप करने गया मेरा उधर पता नहीं क्या डर गया भाई मैं. And like all of this was very new to me at that time. So I was terrified in that particular situation. Ki what am I supposed to be doing? Like am I supposed to push her away? But then I don't want to do something wrong, obviously. And I don't know how I handled it, but I handled it I think in a pretty good way. It was awkward, but it was good because I didn't do anything. I didn't want to. I didn't react in a bad way. Pasta ko 2-3 थप्पड़ तो मारे बाद में. Wow, man, I just relived that full night in my head. In my head, I was so laughing when she pinned me and I left like that. I was like, Agasthya, you're an idiot. Who leaves like that? You say no, I need to go. You don't duck like this. But yes, guys, that is what happened. That was my first almost hookup story. Let me know if you like this story time. This is my first story time video. I actually enjoyed making story time videos because I feel like I can like talk to you guys directly. Let me know in the comments, guys, if you want to see more story time videos. And let's get this video to also 15,000 likes. Let's get this to 15,000 likes and I'll keep making videos for you guys. But if you like this video, guys, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with 331k strong. Anyway, guys, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Join the Ag fam. We're dream chasers. We push each other to become better every single day, and we're not afraid to follow and chase our dreams. If you're watching this video till this time now, comment Pasta. Comment Pasta if you're watching this now. I will try to like all of your comments. Comment Pasta if you're watching this till now. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you. I love each and every one of you. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you in the next video. Okay, chalo. Bye.